Hi everyone, I'm Stu with the SCW sales team, and today we'll be looking at our dome camera lineup. Here at SCW we carry a wide variety of turret and dome style cameras for a variety of applications and uses. Our most affordable model is the Deputy, available in a 2 and 4 megapixel resolution option. This camera has a 2.8mm lens, giving you 101 degrees for the 4 megapixel resolution option and 110 degrees for the 2 megapixel resolution option. This camera is going to give you about 40 to 55 feet of clear facial recognition range depending upon the model. Great for a variety of applications, both indoor and out. We typically recommend this camera when you need to cover a wider field of view with shorter range. So indoors it does very well, although it corner mounted, although it is IP67 weatherproof rated, so it does very well outside as well. Has approximately 100 feet of night vision range and really is one of our workhorse cameras. Moving on, we have the Sheriff. This camera is more of a traditional dome style camera. It's only available in a 4 megapixel option. It's going to offer the same picture quality as the Deputy 4.0, 101 degree field of view with about 55 feet of facial recognition range. Has 100 feet of infrared night vision. The two biggest differences is really the aesthetic. Some customers just prefer that dome style aesthetic to the turret style aesthetic. Also, this camera is IK10 impact resistant. That's the highest possible industry rating for impact resistance. So areas, if you have areas of concern for vandalism, this would be a great camera for indoor and outdoor use as well. Moving on, we have the Informant. This is our lowest profile dome style camera. Has approximately 50 feet of infrared night vision. You can notice the smaller, low profile body of the camera. This camera is great for entrances and exits, as it has a built-in microphone, so someone can announce their presence. It also has a 4 megapixel resolution option, good for about 55 feet of facial recognition and about 100 degree field of view. So great camera for outdoor use or indoor use where you have a wider field of view to cover with need for an audio microphone. Moving on, we have our Varifocal Series cameras. This camera is our most affordable adjustable lens turret style camera. It's called the Detective. It's available in a 4 megapixel resolution. It's a motorized zoom capable of a 2.8 to 12 millimeter lens adjustment. Zoomed in all the way, you'll have approximately 125 feet of facial recognition. And zoomed out, it'll go from about 90 degrees of coverage to about 30 degrees of coverage. Great for a variety of applications. You'll typically want to use a varifocal lens camera where you have need for longer range than 55 feet or so. Also has a 100 feet of infrared night vision and is great for indoor or outdoor use as it's IP67 rated. Moving on to our 4K camera lineup, we have the Judge, more of a traditional dome style camera. This is a 4K resolution with a motorized 2.8 to 12 millimeter lens. This will give you approximately 175 feet of facial recognition when it's fully zoomed in. Has, great for a variety of applications where digital zoom is very important. This is the highest, 4K being the highest resolution that we offer, giving you much better digital zoom. And you'll also have about 100 feet of infrared night vision with this camera as well. Also in the 4K lineup it's actually a 12 megapixel camera. This is sort of a specialty use camera. It's our Radius Fisheye camera. This particular model has a 1.8 millimeter fisheye lens that gives you a great 360 degree widest possible view you can achieve for very special applications such as short, wide areas in which you need to cover the entire area. Has 65 feet of infrared night vision. One unique thing about this camera is that it has built-in two-way audio with a microphone and speaker. So this is our only outdoor rated two-way audio camera. It also can generate a variety of views. You can do the single fisheye with a combination of ePTZ directional views. ePTZ allows you to zoom in, move the camera view around on screen. It also is capable of generating a number of panoramic views. It takes that fisheye view and splits it into panoramic views. Keep in mind that although it is one camera, it is capable of occupying multiple channels on your NVR. Speaking of the NVR, all of our Admiral dome and turret cameras are PoE and they are plug and play ready with any of our Admiral line of NVRs. If you have any questions about our new lineup of Admiral dome or turret cameras, please don't hesitate to call our sales line, 866-414-2553, extension 1. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have, generate custom quotes, and we even do complimentary layout design services to show recommended camera placement. So call us if you need any assistance. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.